If you love lemonade, then you're gonna wanna keep watching this video for a twist on it. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making pickled lemonade. Yep, so if you're a pickle lover or a lemonade lover, you are gonna love this video. It is a very simple recipe, just very few ingredients, and it is so refreshing for those hot summer days. So let's turn the camera around, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so I have some pickle juice. I'll be using 1 pickle from there plus the juice. I have 4 cups of ice cold water, 1 packet of Crystal Light lemonade. I have some chamoy and some tahini, and that is all the ingredients that we need for today's recipe. So let's get started. All right, so I have 4 cups of ice cold water. Now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of pickle juice. 1 packet of the Crystal Light. Oh, the powder went up my nose. We're going to stir it really well. Okay, let's put that to the side. Now we're going to take our chamoy sauce in our glass. We're going to dip the rim right in there, just like that, get it covered. Okay, and we're going to bring our tahini sauce over, or seasoning. And what I did was, because I measured the rim of the cup, so I went and pushed it all around the edge to make sure I covered the rim really well. So we're going to lift our cup up like that. Then we're going to dip it in our tahini sauce, or seasoning. I keep calling it sauce. Just like that. Isn't that beautiful? How pretty. Alrighty. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our beverage in there, just like that. I'm going to get a few ice cubes and plop it in real quick. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put in a few ice cubes. There we go. And then we're just going to garnish it with a pickle and a lemon. Just like that, friends. Look, does that look amazing? Now let's do our taste test. All right, my friends, here it is. Just garnished it with that pickle and lemon. Now let's do our taste test. Oh. The tahini and chamoy sauce is like spicy, and then you have that sweet tangy taste of the lemonade and the pickle juice. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Oh. Friends, this is a good one. It is so good. Absolutely delicious. My brain is going like, man, these would make great freezy pops. We could definitely freeze these and make some freezy pops. Throw in a couple slices of pickles, or not freezy pops. What do you call them? Not lollipops. What are they called? Popsicles. Throw in a couple pickle slices in there. Freeze this mixture. Oh man, absolutely delicious. perfect summer drink. Perfect. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Cheers!